Hey, I'm Ken.
Kenn&Wrenn.
We're gonna do a little bit of Milner content. I did some bumper bolts on this. I actually ordered the bumper bolts for the Milner coupe for the back. Okay, if you remember, we took the hitch off and I had to remove a bolt that was there in the center, and we put that in the front, and I ordered new bumper bolts, and we're going to replace these 6 bumper bolts. Got anything to say, Renner?
I hope we can do it.
Oh, I'm pretty sure we can. Okay. All right, so we got the bumper bolts in. How'd it go, bud?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. We had one bolt. The last one gave us the hardest time. We did have to put a washer behind the first bolt because that didn't have any metal behind it. But I think it turned out pretty good. Let's go look at it real quick and then we'll be out. All right, let's see. We're both rolling around in our chairs. So these are our mobility chairs we use in the shop, because when we're working, we like to be sitting down. So there's the Renner. There's the bumper bolts. They turned out pretty dang good. They're shiny, very shiny. Go with our shiny little exhaust manifold piece. Okay. All right. Kenn&Wrenn are out.
Cut the steel and make it real now. We flip the switch and change the way you feel now. Customs in the shop, yeah, we don't ever stop. Taking old iron and we bring it to the top. Kenn&Wrenn, that's the